What's a life without creating everlasting memories? 30, 40, 50 years from now, we'll all be talking about what our youth was like and how we lived it. I refused to tell my family and friends. I was too scared to take a step to live out my vision. I want to be able to say, I did it. I live in a corporate world where I'm taught to work a 9-to-5 job, get benefits, and prep myself for future retirement. I used to tell myself every day I was going down a path I wasn't meant to live. But I realized I'm right where I'm supposed to be. This exact moment is where we're all supposed to be. Experiencing this thing called life, all as one. The last week of August 2018, me, one of my best friends, and brother decided to take a 7-day road trip to beautiful Colorado. Escaping the corporate world was something we all needed. This is Jake. We've known each other since we were kids, and it's crazy after all these years, our friendship has continued to grow, and I'm definitely happy to call him one of my best friends. And this is Ben. He may not look like the younger brother, but I've definitely got 4 years on him. We've been through so much together since we were kids, between playing home run derby in our parents' living room, to seeing him graduate with his bachelor's degree. And this is me. My name is Jeremiah, but many people call me Maya. I've always loved video growing up, and the idea of being able to capture moments through a lens and reliving them on a screen. So what better way to relive this trip than to document as much as I could and put this travel film together. This is Outside the Corporate World.
Star drifters, can you feel that? One love can make us all believers. A generation of renegades, we don't have to stay alone. So brother, sister, can you see our light guide us home? We'll paint the sky with our energy, so they can see us from outer space. Through the dark we will radiate. They're gonna see us from outer space.
This trip is just what I needed, to find that joy back in my life and to experience what this world has to offer. I don't know where I'll travel to next, but I do know this is what I was meant to do for the rest of my life.